Hi, my name is Vaz and welcome again to another video. Today in this video I will gonna show you how you can clean your camera lens. So in previous video I was showing you how you can clean the camera sensor, which is really useful information, and if you have any dust spots it's really important to clean the camera sensor, and also you have to check the camera lens as well. But today in this video, I want to show you how you can clean your camera lens. So on this occasion, I'm gonna use my Canon 70-300mm. It's an old lens. I'm happy with this lens. It's pretty cool. Gets me very nice sharp shots. But sometimes, depending on the weather and depending on the location where I'm shooting, sometimes I do get dust. Sometimes I do have fingerprints as well, because when I do take my cups off, just by mistake, you just can put your finger on the glass and you're gonna have them fingerprints on the glass. So I've decided to show you how to clean your camera lens. It's if you have expensive camera glass and you want to keep in good conditions, it's really important to keep an eye on it. I like to keep all my gear nice and clean. I don't like to have any dirt or damages. Just try to keep it nicely. So let's show you how you can clean the camera lens. It's really easy, straightforward. You don't need any specific skills. All you need is basically microfiber cleaning cloths. You can buy them from Amazon for like £5. I have around 20 of them because I found them really useful. I also use them to clean my glasses as well, which is good. I do use them to clean my laptop screen, and all sorts of glass requires very delicate cleaning. So for this, I'm gonna use this cleaning cloth to clean my lens. You also, if you want to clean your lens now, you can do it with me, which is well, you can do it together. So first of all, take a brand new cloth. As you can see here, it's brand new. If you have any, say, I'm gonna put some prints so you can see how good this cloth cleans the lens glass. So it's pretty good cloth. If for another side of the lens you'll need additional tools, which I use in my toolkit. So this is my cleaning kit to clean my glass and also my camera. So in this toolkit I have, it's like a swab. It's more to clean inside the lens, and also you can use this one to clean on the sensor, but I don't use it on the sensor. I just use this one on the lens. So it's pretty good because you can take all the dust spots and has like you can see here, you can clean inside the lens. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna use now to clean my front side of the lens. So let's have a look how this cloth will turn this lens into good shape. So I'm gonna take my cloth off. As you can see, it's brand new. Make sure you have clean hands. You don't wanna clean your camera lens after you've cooked. You're gonna just add extra oil on the lens. So I'm gonna just take the lens and slowly clean the lens, the front lens, the glass, and also just look slowly if you have any more fingerprints. In my case, because I did put some fingerprints on the lens, so I do very delicately. Here you go. And you also can use the blower just to blow all the dust from the lens to keep it in a better shape. And again, with the cloth, easily, as you can see here, you can see it's nice and clean. Just a bit more using this air blower. And yeah, that's all done. Now it's really in a good shape. You can use this lens to shoot some images. If you want to clean inside the lens on another side, so we've done the front side, now we're gonna move on another side. Just put a bit more because I've seen some dust as well. Once you've done, make sure you put the cup very quickly, and that's done. And now we're gonna look inside the lens. For inside the lens, it's pretty much delicate job. Depending on the lens, some lenses have a deeper ones. Example, my 70-200mm, it has the glass is a bit more inside. On this lens, I easily can use this cloth to clean. And on other lenses, you might use this little pen. I would call it pen. So you can use a little pen to just clean, the lens inside. So I'll use another side on this occasion. Put another side. And just go inside to clean. If you have any dust. I usually personally use the cloth on this as well, just because it gets me the job done. So I'm gonna use the cloth very gently. Make sure you have clean hands again, and also use the air blower to blow all the dust from inside. And you can see in the video that it's still in a good. There's still something here in the corner which I'm gonna use. Just to mention, do not use any liquids to clean the lens. Don't spray inside the lens or in front of the lens. You probably could use in front of the lens because the lens should be weather filled. If it is, if not, don't risk it. But I personally use a dry cloth just to clean front lens and inside the lens. So I'm gonna try to clean a bit more inside the lens to make sure everything is nice. There you go. That little dust is gone. I'm gonna use this air blower again. I got here like a little. And yes, the glass looks really clean now. And just to look a bit more, just because it's his house, we live in a world full of dust, so we need to make sure we keep everything clean. Especially the expensive lenses, you want to keep them dust free. So that's pretty much done. Once you've done, just put your cup quickly and job is done. As I said, it's really easy, straightforward. You don't need additional skills. Just follow the same steps I did and you should be alright. If you're not confident enough, you probably can find a local shop in your town and just pay the price to get the job done. I personally like to do it myself because when I'm doing myself, I'm doing it properly. And I'm doing for me, and I know that I like to be perfect. And this lens is done. If you're using other lenses, it's pretty much the same principle. But again, do not use the spray inside the lens because you're gonna cause damage. You should be alright to use in front of the lens, but personally, I would recommend to use just dry cleaning microfiber cloth, which you can buy from Amazon for £5, and it will do a very great job. I'm using them cloths for a couple of years and they never let me down. I'm using even to clean my ND filters, to clean my cameras on the drones. So pretty much on everything that requires some delicate cloth. So that's pretty much what I want to show you today, how to clean your lens in front and inside. Again, it's pretty easy, straightforward, Any questions, ask in the comments, and also if you like this video, thumbs up as well. And again, I'm gonna see you in the next video.